So here we have some raw, kind of dirty wool. It's been washed, but there's still junk in the wool. That piece is no good. So we're gonna comb this and we'll show you what it looks like. We're gonna take the small combs and just gonna load these on. And be careful, these things are sharp if you've never used them. You will learn quickly. Even if you're careful, you'll still get yourself. So just a nice rough put on the comb. Grab my other one and just lightly start going through. Pull this stuff out and transfer it to the second pair of combs. Typically everybody says make sure you have a 90-degree and all that stuff, but you don't want to go up. So 90 degrees is the best. Doesn't have to be exact. You can see how it opens some of these fibers up already. So this fiber was washed with the Amway SA8 and cold water. So most of the oils and dirt came out of it during the wash, but this has lots of lanolin in it, or what they call so spinning with this would be spinning in the grease, but not raw, not dirty, greasy. This is just lanolin. So I guess some people a long time ago would spin directly off the sheet. And so I kind of pick the back side a little bit, loosen it up, grab a little more. So that bit's okay, but it's hard to do much with, so I just peel it off, throw it down into my stack, and that's my carding stack. So this is one pass. What I do is I take my comb and I just open it up from the back side. I raise that up. Again, I'm gonna, okay, that one's being kind of a bear here, so I'm gonna open it up. So I'm just gonna go again, little bites. You can go towards you, but just don't let it jab you. Pack that down just a little bit so it's not coming off the top. Over here you can see how fuzzy it is. Because there's a lot of lanolin in it, I don't have a lot of static problems that other people have. But when it's super dry and super hot outside, I do have static problems. So again, I'll pull, it's a little bit of a pull, it's not like super easy. Then I'm gonna kind of pick the back sides a little bit. Just remember the fiber's kind of wrapped around both sides, so I gotta pull that out and around. So I give a little twist. So these fibers left on here are shorter than these ones. Now again, I'm going to just take this little bit and I'm just going to pull it off, throw it in my other box. So I'm going to do this one more time. So I'm going to again take the back side. Just open it up. You can now see how much more open and full this is. And then again, just take these little bites. So the process too not only opens it up and lets junk fall out, it also takes the short fibers and leaves them behind. So you have a much more consistent length fiber. This is what they would be worsted spinning. When you spin off the combed top, these things are nice in alignment, but this isn't true 100% worsted, because that would be aligned from tip to cut end. But here I'm not, because I'm got just a bunch of muddled up mess from the fleece. I've already pulled the locks out for doing all that. This is just the messy leftovers. So again, I'm gonna kind of pick the back sides a little bit and loosen it up so I can get some more of this fiber off, because it's still good length here to use. So that's pretty thin, not much there. So again, just gonna pull that off. And now I have my carded fiber, but it's compacted. So what I want to do is again open it up, carefully open it up again. Grab it and pull. Now it's nice and open. Looks good. Everything's nice and even. Good even length. Now we got to get it off.